How's that drink, baby?
Mmm. My favorite.
I love that accent. And I do love her accent. What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Feast with Pete. If you already haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like this video for the YouTube algorithm. So to get this tea started, I'm gonna add some cloves, some bay leaves, some bruised up lemongrass. I added some curry leaves. You can get this at Indian stores. And guys, this is like not a traditional black iced tea. This is my version, okay? So I added some cinnamon. This is the Feast with Pete version, and then I boiled it. You boiled it, the color will change. And then I added some lavender because I want that bergamot, that Earl Grey type of feel to it. You know, if you don't like those floral notes, don't add that, okay? And then what you're gonna do is add some black tea. I added some decaffeinated tea because my girlfriend's pregnant, so that's what I gotta do. But if you want caffeinated, by all means add that. And then I added some cardamom. The cardamom gives you that nice Sri Lankan flavors going on, okay? Now this tea is good drinking hot, cold, added in sauces, you know, mix it with alcoholic beverages. There's plenty of ways to go about it. So this is just a plain iced tea with some Splenda. And that's great by itself. But if you want to take it a notch, add some lemonade to it. Now this is how my girlfriend tried it. Now this one is just only for me. I added some vodka and spiked it. And my girlfriend's gonna let you know the non-alcoholic version.
Floral notes in here.
There you go. That's what's up.
What is it?
It's Feast with Pete tea right here.
It's really good. I don't really like tea.
There you go, guys. Let me know how you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Until then, don't forget to feast with Pete. Let's go.